How to change Zangi Messenger password. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change Zangi Messenger password. To change your password on Zangi Messenger, you will need to simply follow these steps. However, note that Zangi doesn't store passwords or allow password resets in the traditional sense, as it maintains privacy and security by not collecting user data. If you have set a password for logging in on multiple devices, then you can simply update it by following these general steps. First of all, open your Zangi private messenger application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Now here you will need to tap on the settings or the gear icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. By doing so, you will be taken to the settings page. Here now you will need to tap on your profile. Once you do so, you will be taken to your profile page. Now here you will need to locate the option change password. Simply tap on change password and now you will be taken to this page. Now in this field, you can enter a new password. After entering a new password, you may also tap on the I button at the right side to check and reveal it. And after that, you will need to enter the same password in the second field in order to confirm. Once after entering the same password in both these fields, now tap on the continue button. Wait for a while and then you will see you have successfully changed password on your account. Now you will need to use this new password in order to log in to your Zangi Messenger account. So by following these steps, you should be able to change password on Zangi private messenger app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.